yes, that just happened. That is Man on the Moon by R.E.M. So this is a great song. So a while ago, I listened to the track over and over and over again, and I learned how to play the song just by listening to what was going on in the track, just playing along to it. So that's something that I like to do, which is why I always say in my videos, if it sounds good, it feels good, it's right. Like there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. So, but after, going through the song over and over and over again, I decided, hey, let's look at some of the video tutorials on YouTube and see what's out there. And some of them were closer than others, or felt better than others, I should say. But I haven't seen anything quite like what I've come up with. So I thought I would share that with you because to me it feels like the song is played. It feels like you can just take it from the radio version and put it to the acoustic guitar and just play and sing and have a blast. And this is a great song. So I want to walk you through the chords and what I've come up with. So let's take a look and see what that looks like. Okay, so let's take a look at the structure of the song. So we have a verse, we have a pre-chorus, a chorus, and a bridge. So I'm going to teach you each part of the song. I encourage you just to take a listen to the song and play along with it and see how it goes. It's kind of a long song. It's like 4.5 minutes, almost 5 minutes long. But it just repeats these different sections that I'm going to go through with you right now. So starting off, we'll go with the intro in order here. We're going to need a few chords. We're going to need 3 chords. So this chord that you're hearing is C, right? But you want to put this root on the G. It's very important. So that's the beginning chord that you're hearing. Then the next chord you're hearing is F sharp or D over F sharp. And then C normal. So what that's going to sound like is So what I'm doing there is this C over G. I'm hitting the root first, that G. That's what you want to stand out. So we're going to hit the root note. Every time we change chords, we're hitting the root first. And then we're finishing our strum. That's it. That's the verses all the way through. So very simple. C over G, D over F sharp, and then C normal. So I'm kind of resting my thumb here the whole time. It helps me just get to there. I'm already there. Okay, so that's going to bring us into the pre-chorus. The pre-chorus, pretty simple. So we got A minor to G, A minor to G, A minor to G. So we're doing that 3 times. After the 3rd time, we're going to go C to D. So that's going to sound like. Awesome. Sounds great. So that's going to bring us into the chorus. Now the chorus is a little bit trickier. That's just because the changes are kind of fast. So and some of them we are anticipating, right? So it's going to change on the upstroke. So kind of before the chord gets there, but it balances out in the end. So a couple times we're going to get there early, and then we're going to change. So and extenuate to kind of make up for that. So if that makes sense. So the chords we're going to need for the chorus are in this order: G, A minor, C, B minor, back to A minor, to D. Okay, so that is the order. So I'm going to kind of just jam through it real quick to show you how it goes, because I said it is kind of quick. So it's going to go. Okay, so that was the chorus back into verse 2. Goes right back in with the vocals. So again, we'll walk through that. It's G, A minor, C, B minor, A minor twice, and then D. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just try to jam through that kind of slow. It's hard to play slow, but I'm going to try to give it to you. So here we go. Again. Awesome. So yeah, we have pretty much the intro, the pre-chorus, and the chorus down. So now we're just going to go into the bridge. For this, we're only going to need 2 chords. We're going to need E minor and D. So that is pretty much it. So what I like to do, E minor, I try to bend the strings. You'll hear it. If you hear the song, there's like a lead that goes over it, but it sounds like he's taking this note and bending it. So. Okay, so it goes E minor to D 3 times, but on the 3rd time you play D twice. And then back into the verse. I like to sing those yeah, yeah, yeahs. I can't sing, but I like to, every time I get there, it just makes me want to do that because I'm so used to hearing the song and how it goes. And so yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and just run through all of those parts for you. I'm going to go ahead and just go through the verse. I'm going to do it just kind of slow and to give you a feel how each change goes. So yeah, here it goes. Yeah. So there you have it. So this song is great And like I said, I just listened to the song over and over and over again, and I came up with this version. It sounds great playing it over the radio track. I've watched other videos on it, and I just don't feel like it's kind of capturing how the song and the mood and the feel goes. So I wanted to give you what this song means to me and how I interpret it. So again, this is a video you can watch over and over again, pause. I'm open if you ask questions in the comments. I would be more than happy to respond or give any more guidance or anything. So yeah, as always, I appreciate you tuning in. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.